Hey guys, so changing your HDMI on MSI monitor is super simple. So first you have to press the button on the back of your monitor. I don't know what kind of MSI monitor model you got, but that's the process. And then when you're going to be here under image, you're going to find input source. And then you're going to have the HDMI HDMI2 DP or auto scan. So that's how it works. And then I found these comments here, and maybe it's going to help you. So someone wrote here that when I get to the settings, when I click the button, it turns off my monitor. And monitors of PC then doesn't detect the input, now turns off after saying, is there a way to get the menu without PC on at all? I don't think so. So you can get probably to the menu if you could connect the monitors, let's say to television or something else, right? So this is how we do it.